the Unsalted Kitchen. Today I am going to make coffee Dalgona with coffee jelly. Yes, so it's going to be new, but it's going to be also double trouble for me, because once I have coffee I bounce all over the walls. So why don't we start it? Yeah, I'll show you what we need. Alright, back guys. Here are the ingredients that we're gonna need and also the tools that we're going to use. Okay, so first off, I need some hot water, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1 tablespoon of instant coffee, and 1 tablespoon for the toppings, coffee jelly, and about 2 tablespoons coffee jelly for the bottom. Also, we're gonna need some milk, some ice, and for the tools, of course, we're gonna need glass to put the milk in, a measuring glass cup to mix the coffee, and of course, my magic wand. I need this to make my life easier, and some measuring cups. Alright, we'll see you later, and I'm going to start making this. So first, we're gonna put the sugar inside this measuring cup, and the coffee, and then the water. Then we're gonna mix it until it bubbles. I want to make sure that this is not going to splash on me, so I'm going to cover it with paper towel. You may not be able to see it. So we're gonna keep whisking this using my electric whisker until it's foamy and frozen. So as you can see, everyone is very frothy, so it doesn't even want to fall off the spoon. Well, it did, but you know what I mean. So now we're going to put this aside for just a second, and we're gonna add the ice, all ice in this. And then we're gonna have, let me grab the spoon. I'm going to add this here coffee jelly. I made this yesterday so I can have this coffee Dalgona because I'm craving for coffee jelly. That's why I made it. Alright, let's put more ice. And some milk. Now we can put this Dalgona coffee frothy on top of it. Ooh, that looks delicious already. I'm gonna be bouncing all over the wall just because I'm addicted to coffee. Who else? Who doesn't? Who doesn't love coffee, right? Grab a little plate and put this on the bottom just in case it float. And we're gonna have some coffee jelly on the top. Oops. Well, there you have it, guys. Coffee Dalgona with jelly, with coffee jelly. Everyone, now that we are done making the coffee Dalgona with coffee jelly, so here we go, guys. What do you think? What do you think about my coffee Dalgona with jelly? I'm ready to drink it. And I'm not going to share it with you. You can make on your own, okay? So we'll see you guys later. Thank you for watching the Unsalted Kitchen. And if you are not yet connected with me, please do subscribe and click and smash that like button and the bell button. Alright? Thank you guys. See you later. Bye!